affiliate dashboard. Your affiliate partners will see something that looks like this. You can customize it to match your own website, your own brand, the look and feel, get your logo in here, write your own welcome message, so on and so forth. You can also dial in or dial back the number of features that we have depending on what you'd like. Even if you've got all of our bells and whistles in, we still have a pretty simple, easy to use experience here for your influencer partners. What we're going to do here, we have their affiliate link displayed front and center. They can copy this link, paste it anywhere that they have access to online. So that could be a website, blog, email, newsletter, social media channel. Your partners are going to get credit for anyone who clicks through this link and ends up on your website. Now, this is a direct link to your site, so that's a good thing from Google's viewpoint. It means from a search engine optimization standpoint, you got more links pointing to your site. That is a good thing. Also, from the visitor standpoint, they're going to click your link and end up on their site, so good from that standpoint as well. A quick question coming in: how do we access this video afterwards? You'll get an email with that video. It's also going to go up on our YouTube channel, so I'll show you that in a couple of minutes as well. Onto the social media sharing. So we've got shortcuts for sharing on Facebook, Twitter, and these are some of the most popular features we have because we make life really easy for folks. So for example, to share on Facebook, as simple as hitting that Facebook button. What that does is it logs our affiliate into Facebook. It tees up this post. With an additional click, they can share this with their friends and followers who will in turn see the post come through their Facebook feeds. And as those folks click through or tap through the post, credit goes to the affiliate who shared it. Same idea on Twitter, same idea with all of our social media outlets here. So we've got, I guess we got the old Twitter bot going on, so something wrong here. Let me see if I can get this to go, or if Twitter is actually down, kind of like the old days. Yeah, I guess it's like the old days here with Twitter. So Twitter's going to look like Facebook. Tease up that tweet. Same with Instagram. So we tee stuff up so that with an additional click, your affiliates can share it. Again, it goes down on their feeds, and then as your partners, as their friends and followers see it come through their feeds, those folks click through. Credit goes to the affiliate who shared it. For mobile apps, mobile sharings, things like Instagram, WhatsApp, even text message sharing where you're going to do it from your phones, we have mobile apps for this. So we have affiliate dashboard app available for both Android and for iPhone devices. The way that this works is that your affiliates can download one of these apps. We will recognize them via their email address as a member of your affiliate program, and we put the entire dashboard that you see here directly on their phone so they can do all the sharing from their phones. Progress, you see this, basically their sales funnel. This gets updated in real time, the number of visitors, the number of signups and purchases that an affiliate has received credit for. Commissions also down below, so the commissions that are due, upcoming, and paid out for an affiliate updated right here as well. Our marketing materials section has things such as banner ads, infographics, so folks can get access to these. We've got the HTML associated with these banners, so folks can just copy and paste and post on their own website, on their own blog. So we've got creatives here. Infographics can go here as well. And then same idea, we always embed the affiliate link, so credit goes to the affiliate who shares it. Finally, have an archive of affiliate newsletters available here. Let me show you an example of one that I sent out earlier this year, and this is kind of my pattern for sending out these newsletters, is letting folks know that money's going out the door, as that's always a nice way to get everyone's attention, so you let them know when they can potentially get paid. So we send this out, and they can kind of click through and get back to their dashboard as well, which makes it easy for them to share from there also. I will show you how to write these newsletters when we get into Lead Nano. Let's go ahead and transition over to the app itself now, and I'll walk you through some of this basic setup. We'll do the affiliate network, and then we'll do any questions that you've got. So in terms of setting up the affiliate website, so I mentioned at the outset, look and feel, everything here customizable. That's going to happen in the content section, which is about halfway down here on the left-hand side. This is where you can click the configure affiliate website button to get rolling through. You can go with our desktop version if you like. select your color scheme, logo, additional settings. You can put it on your own domain if you want to do this. New feature here, reCAPTCHA, if you want to have that. Basically what this means is that on your sign up page, so let me take it half a step back here. This is the landing page that folks will see for your affiliate program. If you want to have folks enter, you've probably seen this online, the little reCAPTCHA things that make sure you're a human and not a bot. That's a feature that we just rolled out by popular request, so you can enable those. So you got some bells and whistles here that you can enable, dial stuff up or back as you want. Everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable, as easy as updating the text. You can insert images and links if you would like. You can embed HTML directly. We do support custom CSS. If you want to further style the page, you can do it. If you want to have your affiliates opt into a terms of service agreement, that is an option here as well. This actually came up, and yes, I did a webinar yesterday on affiliate and influencer marketing with one of our partners, CrateJoy, and this came up, folks asking if they should have their affiliates sign a contract, and I said, it's a good, not a bad idea. You're gonna go crazy having everyone sign contracts individually. Way that I would recommend, have the terms of service set up so folks can opt in and roll from there. Okay, also the content section has the preloaded Facebook post that I showed you. So this is all customizable as well. The Facebook post pulls from what you've got under the content section under Facebook there. Same idea on Twitter. So we've got the ability to write that tweet, write the Facebook post, so on and so forth, and we can get stuff rolling from there. Of course, the tweet, let me see if Twitter's, I'm curious if Twitter's working. I guess I'll just kind of leave that alone for now. But anyway, you can pre-write the tweet, and it's a nice little time saver for your affiliates. In my experience, I find that if we have things easy for folks, if we have it convenient, they're that much more likely to share, which kind of makes it a win for us all around. The affiliate newsletter, I've actually got some preloaded for you. So talk about things, making things convenient. I would frequently share some newsletters that I wrote with our customers, just as a added benefit here, sharing a swipe file if you want to run with things that I've wrote. We now have those actually loaded into the app. So I've got 4 newsletter templates for you to choose from. So you've got some things that you can talk about. You want to run with things that I wrote, sign your name to it, make any edits that you like, you are more than welcome to do so. And then these are going to mail out to your affiliates when you send this out. So nice ways to engage them. A lot of questions I get from people early on. They get excited when they get their first batch of affiliates in. They get their first 25, they get their first 50 affiliates, want to know what to do next. Sending an affiliate newsletter is always a great thing to do. Great habit to get into. If you do it once a month, once every other month, it's a nice way to engage folks on a constant basis. Another way to engage them is with our automated emails, and these are especially near and dear to my heart because they go out automatically and we don't have to sit there and send these emails individually. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up, we can send them this welcome email. It has their affiliate link. It has a link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's got everything that they need to get up and running. We can also let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, number of leads, number of purchases that they each got credit for. And then we can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase if we would like as well. What else? Let's talk recruitment. So this will be our last big topic, and then any more questions that you have. Affiliate recruitment. We will start in terms of talking about how we recruit our own users, our own customers, turn these folks into affiliates. So this is our affiliate invitation email. Goes out to new customers as they buy from you and invites them to join your affiliate program. So nice way to get a 2-for-1 where you've got a new customer. We want to see if we can turn this person into a new affiliate of yours at the same time. We can also get you into our affiliate network. That is a great way to get a added little benefit and kicker. We've got 21 different product categories in here, so we've got a nice home for you. What we will do is list your product. We will talk about your affiliate program. We will talk about your product. affiliates can hit the apply button to join, apply for access. If you've got auto access on, that will join them right away. We also send out these nice looking newsletters. These go out 5 times a week. Again, 1 to each product category. And you will be able to get affiliates this way too. So we're doing a lot of marketing for you. Easy enough for you to sign up from within Lead Dino. Just hit the network tab in the lower left corner. This will redirect you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. This is where we've got different affiliate programs that we're featuring, and we'd love to get you in front of the folks that we have in this network who are already promoting products like yours on a commission-only basis. All right, and with that, we will kick it into questions. So let me also show you how to get additional support, and then we'll open it up to more Q&A. To schedule a one-on-one phone call, leaddino.com/support will get you for a phone call. So let me get you some links here. I'm going to throw these into the chat chat box. So you've got some links. That's going to be for support. Contact info here, phone, email, live chat. This is all available often. See, I'm having trouble copying and pasting now into the chat window. Leaddino.com/contact has our contact info. We have a YouTube channel also. Let me get you this to your question about. Go over to my channel. This is where the video will be shortly. So if you want to get a hold of this, you can get this in the got that in the, I think I got it in the chat window there. I don't know why I'm not getting it in somewhere else, but anyway, YouTube channel here. So the video will go live. If you think of stuff afterwards, Brett at leaddino.com goes back to me. So you can let me know if you have any questions, anything I can help with. More than happy to do so. Otherwise, I thank you for joining today. So hope it was helpful. Stay in touch. Let us know how your affiliate program is working for you. Let us know if there's anything else that we can do to give you a hand. Otherwise, hope you have the best of luck in getting everything launched. And let me know if I can help. I can actually work with you one-on-one if you'd like to get listed in our directory, if you'd like to get featured here. So keep us posted and stay in touch. And again, if I can help with the feature, help you out with anything, let me know. Have a great rest of your Thursday evening. Great weekend ahead, everyone, and hope to hear from you soon.